In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully withdraw funds from your Pocket Option account. This step-by-step guide will make the withdrawal process easy and straightforward, whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher. To start, head over to your Pocket Option dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the interface. This menu is your gateway to managing your financial transactions. And today we're going to focus specifically on withdrawals. Look for the option labeled Finance. Clicking on Finance will reveal a submenu. In this submenu, you'll want to direct your attention to Withdrawal. Go ahead and click on Withdrawal to proceed to the next step. Now, welcome to your withdrawal page. This is where all the essential action happens. Here, you'll see all the available options for cashing out your funds. But before you dive in, there are a few important things to keep in mind to ensure your transaction goes smoothly. It's crucial to choose a payment method that suits your preferences and is supported in your region. Since you're making a withdrawal in Nigeria, make sure you select a payment method and bank that are valid in Nigeria. This is important because using an unsupported method could result in failed transactions or unnecessary delays. Once you have selected a payment method and bank, the next step involves filling in a few essential details. You'll need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter this amount carefully to avoid any mishaps. Additionally, you may be asked to provide your name and account number. It's vital to ensure that all the information you provide is correct and matches the details in your bank account to avoid any issues with the transfer. Double-check everything before moving forward. Once you've filled in all the required fields and are confident everything is correct, it's time to proceed by clicking Continue. By doing so, you'll trigger the withdrawal process. And that's it. You've successfully completed the withdrawal request on Pocket Option. Keep in mind that processing times may vary depending on the payment method and bank you selected, so it's a good idea to check with your bank if you have any questions about the timeline. Rest assured, you've taken all the right steps to make sure your money is on its way to you. Remember, these platforms are designed to facilitate seamless transactions, but attention to detail is key to ensuring everything goes smoothly. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you are now more confident in managing your withdrawals on Pocket Option. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick walkthrough. Be sure to reach out if you have any further questions, and have a great day.